Alright, welcome back everybody. This is going to be the house body part 2. In the first part, we section viewed this off. We cut all the doors and windows out of one side. So now what we're going to do is the same thing to this other wall here. There's no windows in this wall or in this wall, so we're going to draw the windows and doors here. So I don't really need to section view this off. I'm going to do the sketch on this face, and when we're done we'll have to, just like we did the back, we'll have to cut these out, and then we'll use the same sketch to cut the cutouts here. So we'll start by making a sketch on that face. I'm going to draw a center line because all these windows are they're 5 foot and 7 5/8 inch off the ground. So since they're on the same height, we'll use the same line. So it's 5 foot 7.625 inches. Okay. Now we'll just make some corner rectangles here. We got 2 windows and then a door. Let's zoom in a little bit here. Another door. And then 2 more windows. And we'll space these out. And then we got 2 windows on this wall here. Alright. Now these 2 windows, actually all 4 of these windows are the same. So I'm going to make all 4 of these bottom lines equal and collinear. This way we only have to dimension 1 window and they'll be the same dimension. We'll make all 4 of these lines equal. Okay. And these windows are, what are these windows? 26 by 44. Oops, 26. 44. Alright, so now we just have to space them out. And they get spaced out from this wall here. So we'll start from here to the center of here. This is 4 foot and 6 inches. And then this window, from the center point of this window to the center point of this window, it's going to be 10 foot 4.5 inches. And this door here, this is it's 30 inches, which is odd, but that's fine. And this is 6 foot 6 inches. And then from the center of this door to the center of this window, it's going to be 8 foot 9.5 inches. And then this window to the center of this door, this is 8 foot 10.5 inches. And from this window to this window, we got 10 foot 4.5 inches. And I'll move this dimension down here. And this one over here so we can see them. Alright. Now, these 2 windows are actually the same. So what we can do is, since all these windows are the same size, we'll make these lines equal and collinear. Alright, and then we'll make this line, since we already dimensioned the other windows, and they're all the same. Alright. So now these are the right shapes, so we just have to dimension them. And these also start from this side. This is 6 foot 9 inches. from the center of this window to the center of this window, we got 18 foot and 6 inches. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to cut all these out. So we'll do extruded cut, and we'll do up to next, and then we'll click selected contours here. I'll just click on all the ones on this wall here. We'll do those other two last. So now these are going through. Green check. Now we're going to hit the drop down next to the cut extrude we just did and click on the sketch. We're going to go right to extruded cut. We're going to go down here to selected contours, and we're going to clear that out. And we're just going to choose these two that we didn't cut out before because they're on our way out in space here. And then we'll just click up to surface, and we'll just click the inside surface, and there you go. So I have all of our windows and doors cut out. So I think I'll make this one video, and when we come back, we'll start putting in the interior walls. So this is going to be the house body part 2. Hope this helps.